I'm Kathy Deitch. I'm a native of Ridley Park, Pennsylvania in Delaware County. I wanted to call this workshop Anyone Can Sing because anyone can sing. If you're somebody who sings in a choir or sings in the shower or would like to be a little better at their karaoke song.
My name is Garfinkel. I'm the chef and owner of Balboa Catering, and I'm here to support adult literacy with the Delaware County Literacy Council.
I'm here to share some of my favorite dishes from Spain with you, along with some tips and tricks along the way.
Hi, I'm Monica Haran Rosenthal, and you may recognize me as a supporter of the Delaware County Literacy Council, or as Amy on the TV show Everybody Loves Raymond, with the creator of Everybody Loves Raymond, Phil Rosenthal. This is a class about writing for television.
You all have individuality. Use that whenever you can, because only you have that.
I hope you'll join me on October 20th for the DCLC Expert Academy online telethon. See you there.